They just wanted to look good. In fact, more...
Now back then, all I knew was that there was something off and something would happen weirdly whenever I would try to forge up a map and recreate some concept that I remember from the
Welcome to the room. What are you doing?
The Stage Deli. What kind of sandwich should be named the Steve Harvey Special? What?
A hoochie mama guy.
The only problem is it's TikTok.
I call it hoochie mama because of...
What the hell are you doing?
Manual recording will now start.
You're going the wrong way. Holy shit.
What works is first, get the drop on me. Introduce yourself with a full magazine. Lay into the...
Manual recording will now start.
Is the best. We'll see which screwdriver delivers the most torque. We'll also see which one works the fastest under load. Finally, we'll torture test each one of these screwdrivers in a very grueling endurance test.
What are we doing?
Include some bits. The screwdriver kit comes with 4 batteries.
And you're gonna do that in front of me? Okay.
The Black & Decker brand is made in China.
Why are you people not moving?
Manual recording will now start.
God, I can't even listen to Family Feud without people turning into tards in front of me. Oh, someone screwed up. Somebody crash. Oh no.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, I see. You're a retard who didn't use the turning lane. Yeah. 2 of you. Oh.
Like, and I'm not saying you can't have rubber tires in space, but make them space tires. Make them a space Polaroid, you know? Like,
There's some extra tubes.
Manual recording will now start.
Well, the football helmet stormtroopers, they just have regular guns. They don't have like space guns, blasters, or anything.
so they added in some space sound effects for some of them, only in the first scene of the movie, and then they...
His legal guardian. Even though Michael was 19 and considered an
Hey,
adult.
why don't you fuckers move and stop blocking the goddamn road?
He also said, I think the most women I have been with in one night is 8.
Manual recording will now start.
Master Mickey. No.
4-3 boasted that this was going to be a live service game, and my first thought was, oh no, unfortunately things have not... Next mission, I found very...
We all gonna block the road?
Manual recording will now start.